Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So in a ways, my analysis hasn't changed much, but I did have to change it a little bit because this move up is definitely getting too strong to be a wave two. So I still think this is 5 waves up of A. I still think this is like an A or B, but I probably would say that this is actually still in the B. We're probably going up right now for the C or B, and then eventually it probably will go down just like we were thinking. So taking it down to the weekly time frame is where you can kind of see this out a little easier because this is probably the A right here, the end of a wave A, the end of an uptrend. This is still a downtrend to me, probably an A. This looks to me like it's actually probably the A, and this is 1, 2, 3 waves down for the B, and we're probably in the C of wave B, which means that it probably will eventually take out these highs. Look something like that before it actually really does make that bigger push to the downside. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, trend is definitely still up, and until we get a break of this higher highs, higher lows, probably better seen on like the 4 to 6 hour, 8 hour time frame, then I definitely think we should continue to look for longs in an uptrend. If this is a wave C, then it probably will take out the high of wave B. Maybe we should target like the 261 or the 278 as the end of this possible wave C. So taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, my structure level right now is actually way down here. So even if it does go down, I'm still looking at all moves to the downside, just like all these previous moves, as nothing beyond a correction to the last impulsive up. So this move down right here could just be a correction to this move up, and it easily, and probably more likely will continue to make these higher highs and higher lows. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up. Like I said, I would be looking at every move to the downside as possibly just a correction to the last impulsive up. Just like this move down was only a correction to this, and this move down was only a correction to this, and this move down was only a correction to this. This move down we're currently seeing is likely only a correction to this. So if we get 3 waves down to a Fibonacci retracement level and a nice impulsive up, I definitely will continue to look for longs in an uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.